Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to boost your FPS in the finals game. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. So by this method you will boost your FPS, improve the performance, and you will also decrease the stuttering in the game. Now first thing you should do is to open your search bar right here, then type game mode settings. Then click on this option right here, game mode settings. Then make sure that this option right here is checked on. Then go to the right side and click on graphics settings. And now what you're gonna do is to activate this option right here. Click on. You should check it, and you should make sure to restart your PC to apply the changes. So what I'm gonna do right now is to restart my PC, then come again. After restarting your PC, you should add the finals here, and in order to do that, all you have to do is to click on browse, then find the finals application. And in order to do that, in most cases you will find it on your local disk C. If you set up the game on local disk C, you will go to local disk C, then go to program files 86, and you will find Steam right here. And after going to Steam, all you have to do is to go to Steam apps, then common, then you will find here the finals. But here in my case, I didn't install the finals in this partition. So what I'm gonna do right now is to jump into the partition that I have installed the game on, and it was on local disk D, then Steam library, Steam apps, common, the finals folder. And here you shouldn't select this one right here because this is not the actual game. You should go to this folder right here, discovery, then go to binaries, then Win64, and you should choose this application right here. Click on it, then click on add, and here as you can see you have the finals added. Go to options, then select high performance, then click on save. And now the next step is to go back to the search, then search for system configuration, then click on system configuration right here, and now click on boot. Then as you can see here you have advanced options, click on it. Then here you should make sure that you choose the maximum number of processors that you have, and here in my case the maximum number is 12 as you can see. Then click on OK, then click on apply, then OK. And now here you should restart your computer, then go back to the search bar and type NVIDIA control panel, then click on it, and after opening go to manage 3D settings, then go to global settings right here and make sure to modify the settings. As you can see here, you can only try to copy the same options that I have right here. As you can see, you can take it as a screenshot right here, and I will go down a little bit in order to show you the full options and settings that I have. As you can see, make sure to turn most of the options off and just exclude some options that I have right here, and always choose the high performance options. I will show it to you again, and that's all. And after doing that, click on apply right here. Then after finishing, go back to search bar, then type advanced and choose view advanced system settings. Then it will show you this page right here. All you have to do is to go to advanced, then go to settings, click on it. Then as you can see here, you have in visual effects partition, you have many options that are checked. As you can see, all you have to do is to uncheck all these options right here, and you may just leave this option right here checked, and you can also make this one checked, then uncheck the rest of the options, then click on apply. But if you have a very good PC or better than mine, you may not have to uncheck all these settings, but you can also uncheck them in order to get better performance. And in the same page, after finishing the visual effects category, you should go to advanced, then make sure that it's on programs, then also click on apply, then OK. Then go to search bar and type background apps, click on background apps, and after opening background apps, all you have to do is to click on off. As you can see here, there are a lot of applications that you do not have them to run in the background. So just click on this icon right here and make it off. Now all these programs right now will not be run in the background. Then go back, and now you have to open the finals in order to continue to adjust more options. And now after opening the finals game, there are some settings that you should adjust in order to get higher performance. Now first open the settings right here, then go to video and make sure that this option right here is full screen, and you can choose whatever resolution you have. Then go to VSync, and this is a rule: you should make the VSync off or disabled in all games that you play. NVIDIA Reflex low latency, you can make it off or on, but I will prefer make it on right here. And for the frame rate limit, make it unlimited in order to get higher performance. For the resolution scaling method, you can choose TAAU because this one is the most suitable for most budget PCs. Then go down here in field of vision. It doesn't matter and it doesn't affect your FPS to a great extent, so you can make it on 100 as you can see. Then for the motion blur and lens distortion, make sure to disable both of them. And here for a ray tracing NVIDIA RTX global illumination, you should make it on static, or if you do not have a graphics card that support the ray tracing, you will find it static by default. And here for the quality settings, you should make all the graphics on low settings, and you can only increase the view distance right here. You can make it into high or even medium, and also the texture, you can higher the texture in order to get better graphics. And now as you can see, I was playing the game on 60 FPS and now I have 120 FPS as you can see, after lowering the graphics and after doing all these steps. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.